In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transactions step by step in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer keeping track of finances, understanding how to manage transactions in QuickBooks can significantly simplify your bookkeeping process. So let's dive right in and make sure every transaction is correctly recorded and categorized. First, let's navigate to QuickBooks Online by opening your internet browser and heading to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a sign in option located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now need to enter your email and password to access your account. If you've forgotten these details, QuickBooks provides options to recover or reset them easily. Type in your credentials and hit the sign in button to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate and click on the customers and leads section. This is where you manage your interactions and transactions with customers, which is crucial for maintaining accurate records. In the customers and leads section, click on customers. This area is pivotal as it allows you to oversee all customer related transactions and interactions. Next, you'll see a list of your customers. Browse through and click on the customer's profile for whom you want to add a transaction. This step is essential because it allows QuickBooks to associate the transaction with the correct customer account. Once in the customer's profile, you'll notice an option labeled New Transaction. Click on this option and you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the type of transaction you wish to create. For our tutorial today, let's focus on creating an invoice. Now let's detail the invoice by adding the specific products or services you've provided to this customer. QuickBooks allows you to enter these details with fields for quantity, rate, and any applicable discounts. Make sure you fill these details accurately to ensure your invoice reflects the correct transaction amount. Once you have added all items or services, the software will calculate the total amount due automatically. Finally, once you've reviewed all the information for accuracy, look for the Save and Send button at the bottom of the page. By clicking this, you save the invoice in your QuickBooks records and have the option to send it directly to your customer via email. It's a convenient way to ensure that both your records and your customers' records align. There you have it, a simple yet thorough approach to managing transactions in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your financial records organized, making accounting and tax preparations easier down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for managing your transactions more efficiently in QuickBooks Online.